We are the Group 1 Perseverance and this is our presentation.
Selfish
Journey.
At Calayan's halls, with laugh and cry. Day by day, with highs and lows by our side.
Nakakita kami ng mga pagbabago, paglaro sa bawat paraan.
Yet some moments were tough, we must say.
Sa kabutihan at kasamaan, natagpuan namin ang aming lugar. Sa landas ng pag-aaral na ito, isang matatag na takbo.
Sometimes I've stumbled, felt the way, but I've also soared, it's never too late.
Sa araw-araw ng pagsasama, aking nasaksihan, ang iyong pusong puno ng sigla at liwanag.
Our endless curiosities is like a guide. Together, we can reach higher tides. Oh, how time has healed and shifted. In this journey, we've been gifted.
Mula umaga hanggang hapon, aking nararamdaman.
By the changes we face and our spirits lifted.
Ngunit bilang isang lingkod, narito ako.
Observing the rhythm, feeling the grand.
May isa kaming idaragdag kung maaari.
A touch of innovation like waves on sand. In this happy life, we felt every emotion.
Mula kaligayahan hanggang pagkalito, parang isang malawak na karagatan. Gusto namin madagdagan ng mga ngiti at bawasan ang pagkabahala.
Make the most of our time in this home.
Kaya't samahan natin ang biyahe na ito. Ikaw at ako,
In this happy journey, together we'll see. With everyone's laughter, our lives complete.
ang pag-aaral dito, kasama kayo ay walang katumbas.
In classes and lectures, knowledge brings.
Sa yakap ng kalayan, tayo nakakatakas sa kalungkutan.
Challenges and triumphs, hand in hand.
Sa gabay ng silid-aralan, pareho nating mauunawaan. Ang campus ay nakakita sa atin, ang puso ng isa't isa. In the library silence, our intellectual foundation. Ngunit sa iyo, sinta ko, may isang bagay na dapat makita. Our love story chapters at set are free. Halina't sulat natin ang ating kwento sa bawat pahina. In this educational journey, like a golden age, sa kabutihan at kasamaan, kaliwanagan at kadiliman, in the light and embrace, our love will sustain. So hear our heart, in this simple rhyme, sa Sesevi, ginawa ang aming buhay na kahanga-hanga. Harapin natin ang kinabukasan, hawak kamay, in this journey in heaven, together we'll stand. So let us walk this path, sa bawat hakbang, tuparin ang ating mga pangarap. Together we'll grow, both me and you, in Calayan's embrace, where skies are blue.
We are the Group 1 Perseverance.
Ulit, no, bakit